Alright guys, now welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to replace the upper dog bone motor mount for your Toyota or Lexus V6. Now this applies for the Lexus ES years 2002 to 2006, and for the Toyota Camry years 2002 to 2006. So for the Camry side, as long as you have the V6, you should be fine. Alright, first things first, if you want to get to this engine mount right here, what I like to do personally is remove the coolant reservoir. Next, what you want to do is tackle these three bolts for right now. This 14, and there's a 12 right behind this hose. So there's actually three 14mm bolts and one 12mm bolt. So the 14 locations are this 14 right here, this 14 right here, and there's one behind. And then there's still that 12mm. I'll post a photo to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about, but there's three 14mm and one 12mm. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and move this connector out the way. And now, everything is out. And here's the whole mount. So now what I'm going to do is get a 14mm and crack this bolt loose. Now should be good. So now the fun part begins, where you put everything back. This should be pretty straightforward. And the trick to this is make sure you get it kind of in there, but this bolt right here will be your aligner. You want to wiggle it. And now you should be able to see this. And start to thread it in by hand. Okay, that's pretty good. So now the new engine mount is installed, and it's time to put it back inside the car. And then remember, you still have your two 14mm on the side, and then there's one on top. And that's it. That's how you actually replace your upper dog bone mount. If there's anything that I missed, I'll tell you guys right now. And if you want to see more of these videos, leave a like, comment below. And that's it.